These are the signs, British Sign Language, but very simplified, for Hear the Bells Ringing by Nick and Becky Drake. So we're going to pretend, first of all, we've got little bells, little tiny bells, and we're going to ring them. Hear the bells ringing. Then angels are singing. Singing is this, and it comes up from your voice, from your mouth, as though the voice is going up into the sky. Joy is a gentle clap. It's not a flat of the hand that makes a noise. It's the heels of the hand that makes a gentle sound. And then Jesus is middle finger into the palm of the hand, middle finger into the palm of the hand. It comes from Jesus being on the cross at Easter time. So that's hear the bells ringing, angels are singing, joy, Jesus. The next line of the chorus is for every nation. You imagine you've got a map in front of you and you're just running your hand over the tabletop of all of those maps of all of those countries or nations. This is salvation. So save is put one hand flat and the other hand, it's like you're scooping everything in to hold it really safe. And that is salvation, save, or saviour, which we'll come to in a minute. So this is salvation. You're saving everything. Then you repeat joy and Jesus. That's the first chorus. That's the main chorus. The second chorus, or bridge part, is come and sing. Now sing is what we call directional. So I can sing and the words are going out from my mouth, or I can invite people to come and sing with me and I can make the singing sign come towards me because I'm saying come and sing with me. And that's what we're doing on this one. Come and sing with me and celebrate. Celebrate is party, alleluia, praise, and it's this sign and you're going up. It's like you've got party streamers going up at the side of you. So it's come and sing with me and celebrate the Saviour's Day. Saviour is another name for Jesus, and it's that save sign again. So it's Saviour's, and then this is the sign for day. This is night, where the darkness comes down. This is day, where the sun comes up. So it's sun down, sun up, sun down, sun up, and we're going to do day. So it's Saviour's Day. Then we're going to beckon people to come and give your heart. So you draw a heart over your heart, a heart shape over your heart, and worship. Worship is giving worth, so it's kind of a half bow, and it's a hands coming down from a forehead. So that's giving worth to God. So come and give your heart and worship. Repeat on the Saviour's Day. Okay? So those are the two main chorus bits. If you're able to pick up the other signs in the rest of the song, the verses, then please join in with those as well.